Unit 1 review, question number 39. Suppose a student scored in the 65th percentile on a standardized test. What percent of students had a higher score on the test than this student? To the right, you'll see I have an image that is not test scores, but the heights of kids, but they represent kind of the same idea. With percentiles go from the 0 percentile to the 50th and up to the 100th, meaning that I'm dividing all of these scores, or in this case height, into the percentages of that height or less. So here, the 0, there's nobody who's smaller. The 50th percentile is right down the middle, meaning 50% of the kids are going to be height taller and 50% of the kids are lower than this specific height, or 50% of that height and lower. I apologize. Here we could say it's maybe the 75th percentile. That means that 75% of the kids are this height or lower. Right here at 100, that means 100% of the kids are at this height or lower. Because this student is scoring in the 65th percentile, that's about here. That means that there are 65% that are this score or lower with my visual of height. We want to find out how many students have this score or higher than this score. So it's the leftover, or what's remaining after the 65th percentile. So we can take 100% and subtract the 65th and lower, and that'll give us the remainder of what's left over here. And so 100 minus 65 gives us 35.